just love watching Kevin fly. Kevin Coleman from right here in Louisiana. Taking pictures of you right now from Media Post Video Production. So smile. And again, if you're with someone you shouldn't be with, you may want to give yourself just a little space. I'm just saying. Ladies and gentlemen, the last pass coming up from Kevin Coleman. So give him a huge wave. He's going to be flying by and getting that airplane back down on the ground as we move forward now. There's the drone right out in front of you. Side slipping because it's a long airplane with a little bit of a cockpit and window. So he is coming down right on the edge of falling and not flying. It makes it look so easy, but he is just dancing right on the edge of stall right there. Flying amid the fuselage in the wing too. Oh man, he makes that look so easy. It's a tail dragger and the hardest part of his day is about to happen. He's got to get him down on the ground. This airplane, purpose-built and designed to fly aggressively, as you can see. Aerobatically, as you can see. Now he's got to convince it to land, to slow down and stop flying.